What's up, guys? I am back with my WWE shop unboxing. Got this from the WWE shop. Of course, as you can see the logo. Just gonna shimmy on over here. I'm back on my bed. And, just gonna try to plant this right here. I don't know. You guys see this? Hopefully. Oh, wasn't that just so easy? Oh, so easy. All the crappy stuff is on the back. No one cares. No one cares. Do you care? Do you care about this? No. Oh, awesome. Got glow sticks. Glow sticks. All the crappy stuff back here. Stupid magazine. Ugh, one sec. 1 second. Ah, stupid. No one cares. First, on top of the box, my Halloween bag. It's right there. Yeah, Halloween zombie bag. So yeah. There. Right there. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. And ooh, buddy. Look what we have here. This is me. Is this a large? Yep, this is a large. Oh, and I can get an app for it, too. What does this say? Ready, aim, tap. That's cool. That sounds cool. I might have to get that. Oh, that sounds really cool. So, yeah. Zack Ryder t-shirt that you know are all back. Just gotta put that over here. Let's check out the linen. I think it's linen. No, that's a cloth. I'm not talking about whatever they call it on www.shop.com. It's a necklace. It's a Zack Ryder necklace. So yeah, 1 sec. Can I get this out of the bubble wrap? Bubble wrap. My one enemy, bubble wrap. So yeah, 1 sec. Here we go. We're getting it out. So yeah, getting it out. Bubble wrap back in the bag. And there it is right there. Wait, Mother! My mom asking me what I got.
What?
Just wait!
What did you get?
Just wait, I'll show you!
Okay.
Yeah. So there. Put that on the Zack Ryder t-shirt. Now let's just put that right there. Oh yeah. The sunglasses. Why wouldn't I? Why wouldn't I? This is gonna be tough to open. Now there. There we go. That's better. All is back in the box. It's kind of crooked. Oh no. Broke. Oh, well. Oh yeah, that is. It's gonna be the perfect Halloween costume. Love that authentic wear. I love the authentic wear logo. So yeah, a whole bunch of crap. We're eligible for an incredible offer that entitles you a $50 gift to Walmart. So yeah. like that. Yeah, like that. Great news. Here I was worth with a $50 Walmart. Yeah, whatever. Just gotta put that in the trash. Here. One sec. Wait, what did the... Oh, just stickers. So let's see, Zack Ryder Statue of Liberty pendant. Pendant! That's what they call them, pendants. Zack Ryder sunglasses, purple. Zack WWE glow sticks, which I didn't really mean to get. Where are they? Where'd they go? Where did I put them? Under the box. Yep, they're under the box right here. There, right there. I didn't order that. Zombie Halloween and Zack Ryder Statue of Liberty t-shirt. Bye-bye receipt. That is all from me.